Hi guys, this is Madness Makeup. So today I'm back with another Ipsy bag. So we're gonna get right into unboxing it right away then. Alright guys, so I have this bag, and then the reason why I'm wearing this shirt is because this shirt literally matches this bag. They're different material, although similar material I think. So yeah, ooh, we got a brush. Ooh, it's green, you guys. I love it. Okay. Oh, they even give you like a thing for your strap on your bag. This is really long. So maybe I could use this as a purse too. Alright. So this is December 2020's bag. The theme is Home for the Holidays. So that's cute. And then on the back it gives you all the info for the Glam Bag X, as you can see. Alrighty, so let's get into it. Also, my bag smells like mint, which I think is very fitting. Oh god. I already dropped something. It's not a video by me if I don't drop something. Alright, so we got the I think it's Masqua Skin-Based Foundation. So this is the shade. It does look a little dark, but we'll see. Oh, this isn't good. They sent me 2 of those. Alright, I'll have to contact Ipsy. Okay, yeah. I suppose they sent me 2 of the foundations. They didn't send me the Balm Cosmetics, I think it's a highlighter powder. So I will send them an email because their customer service is awesome and I love them. Yeah, so I'll just use one for today. We won't use the other one. Alright, so this is the Masqua Skin-Based Foundation in 4.5. And so the MSRP of the full-size version of this is $44. Alright. Now we didn't get the Balm Cosmetics powder, so we'll have to wait for that for like a little bit. And then this is the May L Beauty Dawn to Dusk Eyeshadow Collection Single in Sunkissed. And so the MSRP of this, so this is a single eyeshadow, is $29. That's a lot of money. Probably comparable to the, I don't know how much the AVH ones are, but AVH is expensive. Let's see. I like that they're wrapped in bubble wrap. Ooh, this is a nice transition shade, and the packaging is like, it looks expensive looking. So this is in the shade Sunkissed, and so it's from their Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow collection. And I really like it. So yeah. And then this is the, I'm sorry, I'm gonna butcher this because I don't know French. The Beau Gachis Ipsy exclusive limited edition tapered highlighter brush. Okay, cool. Oh, this is so cute, and look, it's green. That's pretty. You see his name in cursive there. And it's a nice green and gold brush. Very festive for the holidays. And then, this is the Lasting Smiles Peppermint Cream Organic Lip Balm. So this is Smile for a Cause. So, okay, sorry. So the MSRP for this brush is $15.95, and then the MSRP for this lip balm is $5.99. Alright, so that's what we got in our bag. So I'm going to do my base makeup, let you know how this foundation is, and this highlighter brush, and I will see you guys later. Alright guys, so obviously you can't see any of my base makeup because It never shows up on camera, but I promise it's there. So, here is what I thought about all the products I got, or not all the products I got in my Ipsy bag, but a few of them. So, I do like this foundation. I think it's a good match. It kind of looks yellow, but I think it looks good on me. So, then I also use the Lasting Smiles lip balm. And I really like that. It does smell like peppermint. And it's making my lips feel really hydrated, so there's that. And we got the Beau Garchis brush. I like it for a highlight. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild. I use the pink shade today because I want to do a pink and purple look. This is called Pink Heart right there. And, yeah, so, besides the Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation, I use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, so we're very bright today. And then I use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. And then, to set my foundation, I use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. Looks like that. And then, I use my e.l.f. palette, which broke in our last episode, so I'm not going to take it out, to do my contour and bronzer and blush. And then, I use my Pixie palette to do my eyebrows. So we're gonna put this shadow into our crease. So I'm taking that round, no. You don't have to put a transition color, that's not it either. Yeah, you don't have to put a transition color in when you're working with, well, it's all up to you if you're working with color shadows, but I'm going to put one on today, not just because I got this in my Ipsy bag, but we'll see how it looks, and hopefully it'll help us blend a little bit too. So, I'm going to blend that in with this BH Cosmetics number 6 brush. And we're going to blend that in. You guys might not see it, but it looks pretty pigmented to me. Ooh, it's kind of making this ugly color on my brush. Which I don't get, it's brown. I mean, how can you go wrong with brown? Alright, and I'm going to keep this brush out. And we're gonna take that blending brush that we just had and do that again. I'm gonna keep that out too while we're at it. So today I'm using the James Charles and Morphe palette, the Icon. So I don't even need to cover the mirror because it has none. So thank you, James. Oh, I don't know what this is. Well, apparently I had some magnets on my palette. Alright, so there she is. We're gonna use those pinks and purples today. So, I was gonna say I need the sheet. There we go. Not gonna use that light pink, pinkity drinkity, just because light pink makes me look kind of dead. I will take that hot pink color and put that in my crease instead. So we're taking this shade Skip, which is this hot pink right here, and we're gonna, now I'm aware that this palette does cause eye staining, as do most pressed pigment palettes, and this is a pressed pigment palette, you guys. She can be pigmented if she wants to be. Alright, and I'm gonna blend that out with that same brush. Oh.
Blend it in the shade Skip.
Alright. And then, I'm gonna put this light purple shade up there as well. It's called Single, so this is it. Right here. And we're going to plop that on the crease as well. We're gonna have a very pink and purple brush. So I'm making a pink and purple shade. Alright guys, it looks good to me. We're gonna use the camo concealer for a cut crease, because it's right here. So I'm just going to put the littlest amount because a little does go a long way with this stuff. So we are going to put that right there. And right there. Alright, so. Haven't done a cut crease in a while with you guys. Alright, so I'm going to take this Eco Tools concealer brush. And I'm gonna cut the crease. Alright, oh shit. It's okay, I'll try to go over that. Alright. Let me go over that concealer with a combination of that pink and the purple. And then let me blend that out really quick. I think that covered the concealer. So we're good. Alright. Oh gosh. We're good guys, we're good. So now I'm going to take this packing brush. I'm going to make sure there's no funky shades on it. Okay. And, well actually let me test this shade with my fingers first. So this is the shade Artistry and it's that shimmery purple right there. So we're going to test this with my fingers first. So. Alright, we're gonna spray our brush and we're gonna try that shade then. Actually, I think that looks really nice. Really had to dig into that shade though. Okay, pretty. So this is one of the shades you do have to build up, even though it's a metallic. It's really pretty metallic. So I'm gonna gently, there is no gently going into the shade. Alright, we're putting it over here, trying to at least. I think you can use your finger, just that you have to pack it on. But you can do both. Oh, I just poked my eye. Great, now my eye is watering. Alright. So that looks, oh, shit. Dipping into that dark purple Escape. So. We are doing this then. I did not mean to do that. Alright, I guess we kind of did a winged out shape a little bit. Alright, and I'm going to take this blending brush and we're gonna blend that all in. So this is the Betty Boop and Ipsy brush. We got a little winged out-ish kind of cut crease today. Alright. Looking pretty good. And then, that's it for this palette. So, what I'm going to do is, sorry, I was up close, take that same pink heart shade, I think I said shape, and put that right there on our inner corner. It's a beautiful duochrome shade, and I'm going to put that under my brow bone then. Alright, beautiful. So, I am going to do my eyeliner, the part under my eyes, and yeah, so I will be right back. Alright guys, so to finish off this look, I have the Half Caked liquid lipstick. I'm not sure what brand this is from, but it's in the shade Sweet Tooth. I think this was in my first ever Ipsy, which was the June one. So if you go back to that video, you can find out what it is. Alright, it'll matte down. Okay. So, also for my eyeliner, I use the KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner in the shade Super Black. It looks like that. Then I use the Benefit Roller Lash. I got that in one of my Ipsy bags as well. The Douce Ultra Precision Eyeliner in the shade 500, which is like black. It's a kohl eyeliner. So, that's what I use. And then I put the light purple and a combination of the light purple and the dark purple also on my under eyelids as well. Alright, so this is it for this like kind of glam, kind of natural looking makeup tutorial. So thank you guys for oh wait, I gotta review the stuff. Okay. So my final thoughts. Sorry, I'm really getting ahead of myself. It's okay that I didn't receive my my highlight. I will go ahead and contact customer service, and they're usually really good about stuff, so it's all good here. You know, sometimes it's hard, and especially I can't even imagine because I have all these customers too. Okay, so I really like this foundation. It's very nice. It's kind of full, in medium coverage maybe. I think you could build it up probably to be full coverage then. And then I do like the Lasting Smiles Peppermint Cream Organic Lip Balm. So it makes it soft under super drying liquid lipsticks. And I also like this Male eyeshadow. And this is in the shade Sunkissed. If I could open it. Okay. Yeah, it's very pretty and it's in super luxe packaging. And then this is the Bow. I think it's, oh my gosh. Got cheese, I think. Brush, and it's super pretty, and I really like the green. And the gold. I honestly think I would have loved the highlight by the balm, so I will probably be receiving that soon then after I contact Ipsy. But yeah, I mean, look how cute this bag is, and it literally matches my sweater. So I could, like, use this as a purse with the shirt, you know? Alright. So, thank you guys for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. Alright, bye!